Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Hotwav T5 Pro. So the first one, Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the red plus. That's it. The next one, Firefox, just click on the server mask. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the tab icon, or the arrow icon or 3-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.